Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips.
Load color replaced artwork of the striper pattern or of the garment created in any other software.
Press the auto button at the top to create color stories.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette. And so on.
And so on.
There is one more option where you can lock one or multiple colors, and allow the software to create auto color combos on the remaining colors.
Let's lock the red color and play auto color on the remaining two colors.
While the red color is locked, the other two colors are replaced randomly.
Opt color. And so on.
As you must have noticed that the color stories appear with a complete randomness of colors from the selected color palette.
What if you want to have color stories with a similar parity?
The software has a facility to create color stories with a similar parity, as shown in the next auto option.
Here, all the color stories appear with colors of a similar parity. And so on.
Let's load an artwork of a color-replaced polo t-shirt and create color stories. And so on.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.